Hello, namaste. I'm here on the Nirman Southpoint school campus today, and I want to talk to you a little bit about something called Contakids. Contakids is Contakids. You'll find lots more information about it on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, also the Contakids global website called contakids.com. So the reason I'm talking to you today is because this weekend we're going to have a few Contakids classes here on the Southpoint school campus in Nagwa in Varanasi in India. So if you'd like to come, you're welcome. So Contakids is a practice that helps children and their parents to connect physically, to spend some time together where there are no other distractions, no cell phones, no traffic, no dangers of the outside world. A time to pass quality time together. The Contakids class consists of different kinds of games and exercises, all of them which engage the body, the imagination, and the relationship between the parent and the child. So some games include lying on the floor, some include sitting on the ground, some are standing up, some include running, some even include a little bit of dancing. Sometimes the parent is chasing the child or the child is chasing the parent. There are waves of intensity with games that include more soft caresses, with games that include more running around, more screaming, more laughing, and games that even include very soft massages and things like cuddling. So all of these different things are a part of the class. We practice on a special soft mat so that everyone feels comfortable on the floor, getting up, falling down, in all of these different places. By the end of the class, you will be a little bit sweaty and you might be a little bit tired, so make sure to bring a snack for yourself, for your kid, maybe even a change of shirt for yourself. Think about all these things when you're coming. We're really looking forward to seeing you here this weekend, tomorrow on Saturday or on Sunday, or even next weekend as well. If you have any questions about the class, about how the class goes, please send us a message on Facebook or on WhatsApp, and we'll be happy to get back to you as soon as we can. I'm really looking forward to seeing you soon. Namaskar, and see you tomorrow.